Alrighty then, hi and welcome to a video on Peely Bone. This is the new Lego Fortnite set that was just released. I got this when I went to Seattle for the Unreal Engine Festival, UE Fest for short. And I was there on opening day, so it's cool. You'll see the Lego haul video that I did released a couple of days ago. Anyway, this is an adult set. It's not for kids, so it says. I'll read. It's set 77072 and it's called Peely Bone. There are rumours that the get around here, this is not his intestines, it's his brain, but I'm not sure about that. I can't say if that's true or not. But anyway, this is Peely Bone. He's got 1,414 pieces, age 18 plus. Create an iconic video game figure with this cool Lego Fortnite Peely Bone building kit for adults. Enjoy assembling the large-scale Fortnite Peely figure, which is based on the iconic Fortnite outfit, before accessorizing it with a Peely pickaxe. Got that wrong, Lego. Paint launcher and banana bag back bling. Say that 6 times fast. A display stand with a nameplate makes it easy to showcase your creation once it's complete. Awesome. And there is the details I've just been talking about. So the pickaxe, this is a paint gun, there's the back bling, which is cool, and there's the base, and it stands, let's have a look. We've got 14 inches or 36 centimeters tall, 15 centimeters and 5.5 inches wide. So not small, but not huge, which is cool. We'll see how long it takes. I'm doing this because of downtime in Lego Fortnite today, being the 11th of October. This is 7:38 in the morning. I'm doing this. Why? I don't know. But downtime starts, I think, at 11, so should be back up in the afternoon, 1 or 2 o'clock. So I should have time to finish this as long as I don't get interruptions. Blah, blah, blah. You know, normal thing. IRL. Anyway, let's open up the box and have a look. Hopefully this recording is working, and it's working as I've set it up. Otherwise, it's going to be a disaster. Let's go. Oh, actually, we haven't got my little characters there, and they need to be there. Okay. Let's try and open the box without breaking it, because I love this box. It's very cool. You could do it. There we go. Okay, that's one bit done without smashing things. One bit done again. Come on. There we go. Awesome. Take the little bits off. Oh, this is packed. Okay, very packed. Oh my gosh, golly. Family friendly. There we go. Right. Okay, so let's see. We've got 7, 4, 15, 9, 10. Okay. Well, at least it's not like the other set where it's like 6 bags of 12. You'll know that if you watch my daily bugle build. It's 13. It's 6. 15 has 6, 7. 8. 8. Okay. Sorry about the noise with the bags. It is what it is. There's one. Oh wow. Bag 1's very small. That's a good bag to start on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's 5. That's 4. Cool. Okay, 4, 5. 4, 5. Butter, 6. Let's put bag 1 there. So that is going up to what bag? 8. Okay, goes up to 8. Let's put that down there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so we've got 15 packs. If this is the only sticker, Is that it? One sticker? Really interesting. Oh, look at the focus on that now. Whoa. Ah, so much better. Awesome. Okay. Good job. One manual. Oh my god. Peely has left a mess. Okay. Right. So look at the manual. See if there's anything specific in this. There is a code. Oh yeah, it is. What is Lego Fortnite in different languages? I'll tell you what Lego Fortnite is. Great fun. I love it. Then we've got the adventure is building. Okay. There's information about Lego Fortnite, which is kind of cool, because obviously that's why they're doing these sets. If you were expecting it not to be, sorry, a banana is born. Okay, banana mishap, pancake, something or other. Okay, there you go. There's some more information. It's about Peely himself, which is kind of cool. Yeah, Peely goes robo, banana mishap. What's the other one? Banana is born. That's when it started. Very cool. But Peely Bone rises. Oh my god! Meet Lego Peely Bone. And there's all the different Peely skins. That's cool. I'm glad they put a little bit of effort into this manual. And then we started bag one. Cool. Alright, so as per normal, I have digital instructions. So I'm set with those, and apparently, yes, just one sticker, which is cool. Alright, so put the knife to one side, open up bag one. And let's see what we got. Awesome. Okay, on the floor. Alright, so I'm going to start this build now. Okay, so it's the next morning, and yeah, I finished after work last night. I had one bag to do before I started work. So this is the Peely Bone, which is absolutely awesome. This build was one of the best I've done, in as much as it was like building two sets in one, if you know what I mean, because you were doing like this half and then you were doing this half. So it was really cool. First time I've ever done anything like that before, and it's a solid old build as well. I mean, it's like heavy, you know, and it's not going to go anywhere. I mean, you can't play with it, but it's awesome. You can pose the arms like this, that, so backwards and forwards basically, and twist them out. Also, you can mess around with the rib cage here if you want to. The gun again is like, it was a really cool little build, and then we can do the same thing with this, so he can be aiming, which is awesome. Really like this build. I really enjoyed it. I didn't think I would as much as I did, to be honest, but yeah, very big surprise to me how much I really enjoyed this. You've even got the backbone here, like here exposed, and you can kind of stretch it and make it tighter, which is cool. What other features are there on it? I mean, you've got your pickaxe, which pops in. Let's see if we can get him out. Undo his hands, and then there you go. So there's the pickaxe. Very cool. That was awesome as well. And this, which you can poke back in again. Hole. Okay. And then you put the fingers around it. There. Same with the gun. The gun actually does come out. Oh, and his hand does. So you can put the gun on a separate display if you want to. It only clips back in. It's really simple. And that's kind of the other thing I like about it, is that if you do something like that, it's really easy to then change it back. So yeah, Awesome little set. I love the fingers and the way that you can like grab the gun, even down to the thumb, which is really cool. You can kind of point his hands like this, they're on a swivel if you really want to. Same with this one. But yeah, display set, obviously. His little mouth moves here as well, which I thought was really funny. Let's see if I can get it on that side there. So yeah, you can like open and close his mouth. That was kind of cool. I do like the kind of bony part and the skin part. You've got the little banana skin peeling at the top, which is awesome. What else can I say? I mean, he's got his left leg stood on like a rock and some greenery and stuff. So that looks kind of cool. His toes are nice as well in the bones. The bones are just how they've thought of doing this. I really don't know, but it works really well. And then you've got Lego Fortnite Peely Bone. So there you go. His rucksack is cool as well. I can take it off without breaking anything. There we go. So there's his rucksack with its bananas on the back, food on the go and all that, you know. Focus. And the back just clips on. You have got this little tag, which is quite a nice little touch. Be like the zip tag that you pull, and then you just pop him back on again. Really simple. That really did. It looks really cool like that. Let's get it up top. There we go. Like I say, not a play set. It's a display set. But that and the battle bus are now done. I'm going to build, hopefully finish building this weekend, the llama, and then of course the burger, and then last but not least, gift with purchase, the brickhead, right bomber. So I'm going to build those this weekend, get the videos ready for you guys and girls, so that I can give a little review on those. But there you go, finished, all good. I'm really happy with this. I've got to do some organising because I'm running out of space. I've got Lego boxes all over the floor that haven't even been opened yet. Tons of Harry Potter, loads of stuff all over the place. I need to sort my life out. But until then, I'm going to build. Anyway, smash the like button, subscribe, comment. Everything you can do, I appreciate. I always appreciate your likes and comments. Do appreciate the subscriptions as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. See you later. Bye bye.